Many clients are concerned about their property damage after a car crash. And of course, they want to get their car fixed. So basically, the way it works is if you have collision coverage on your insurance, you can then just get a check from your insurance company. The insurance company goes out to look at the car, they appraise it, they say whether it's a total loss or it can be repaired and how much it'll cost to repair it. If you have a deductible, you may have to pay the deductible, and then the body shop that you choose will repair the car. If you don't have collision coverage, you could still do the same thing, but you would need to do it against the other defendant, right? So for example, if a car that has Allstate hits me and I don't have any collision coverage, I would have to then go through Allstate and see what I could get from them. Oftentimes they pay a fair amount, such as when the other car rear ends you and is clearly at fault. But if there's a situation where each person says, I had the green light, or two people are driving in a lane and each one says, oh, he changed lanes into me, and it's a 50-50, now they can offer you just 50% of the property damage. So if it costs $1,000 to fix your car, they're only going to give you $500. So at that point, you can choose either to accept it and just, get the rest of the money in the main lawsuit, which is for your pain and suffering. Because in our experience in these lawsuits, 99% of the money is paid for the pain and suffering and the injury that you sustain. But if you really are unhappy with the property damage settlement, you can also sue for property damage. So when you file your lawsuit, you'll say claim number 1 is for my pain and suffering, claim number 2 is for my property damage, and you can obtain it in the lawsuit. The only downside of that is that the lawsuit can take some time, so you might have to wait for the ultimate payout for the property damage. So I hope this has been helpful, but let us know if you have any specific questions about your property damage, and we'll be happy to answer them. Have a great day. Bye-bye.